how to change your last name on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your last name on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here and then click settings and then scroll down until you find privacy center and then scroll down. Just go back, click this one, complete your profile, and here you can change it, last name, and that's it. Just change it and click save. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.